Introducing the 2022 Volkswagen Tiguan Allspace 2.0TDI ELEGANCE with 150 horsepower in a stunning blue exterior color. This beauty packs a punch with a 2-liter engine and only 45.99 kilometers on the clock since it was registered new in 2022. Loaded with comfort and tech features like Bluetooth, satellite navigation, and voice control, this Tiguan is designed to make every drive a pleasure. Safety is paramount with ABS, collision avoidance braking, lane departure warning, and more. But that's not all. This Tiguan comes with a full multi-point health and safety check, service to manufacturer specifications, and a comprehensive warranty for peace of mind. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Call us now or visit blackwatermotors.ie for more information on how you can drive away in style and safety today.